If you want to turn on or off text to speech on the Redmi Pad 2, start by opening settings, and now you have to scroll down and go for additional settings. Over here, go into accessibility, go for vision at the top, and now move for select to speak. Now click on the switcher to turn it on, then click on this icon that will appear on the right side of your screen. And now select something that you want to read aloud by your device and release. There we go. You can pause over here, continue by clicking on this arrow. You can also change it, you can finish, and also you can find some settings. Like you can change reading voice, you can also read in the background, read text on images, or get the text to speech. So you can change its language, engine, speech rate, and pitch.